Okay, this is my next project. This is a Coulter off of my 194 plow for my Farmall Super A. So it's a fast hitch plow that I have, and this actually clamps onto the fast hitch below the tractor. I've never used this before, and I don't believe my grandpa ever did either, as far as I know. I'd like to basically get this operational. There's two things wrong with it that I can see. One, this center hub here is broken. I don't know if that'd be a huge ordeal as far as the function of the Coulter. I just kind of feel like that's something that should be fixed. And then second, the bracket here, it's got a bit of a tweak in it there. And when you put this on the tractor, it doesn't quite line up with the plow bottom very well. So I'm going to take this apart and see what I can do as far as fixing it up. Okay, so I got this apart. Basically, from what I can tell, I'm just going to need one of these hub pieces, and I'm glad that I took that off. It's pretty fragile. And then I'm wondering if I can see about locating this bracket here. It's kind of bent in multiple places, and I feel like I'm just going to fight it if I try and bend it back. So I'm going to kind of do some digging and see what for parts I can find. So we'll come back when I figure out what I'm going to do next. Alright, I was able to track down the parts, and ironically I ordered them yesterday and they came today. It only took one day to get them. So I got a new hub, which is obviously a lot nicer than that one. And then I got a new one of these yoke pieces. So I knew mine was bent, but I didn't realize mine was, that bent. This one here is like a hair longer, but the dimensions as far as those holes is the same. So basically it looks a lot better than what I have. So I'm going to do some cleaning on my parts. I might paint this yoke and hub piece, I'm not sure. And we'll see where we go from there. So here's the Coulter mounted on the tractor. And again, this is my 194 fast hitch plow, if I've never showed this before. And you can see this basically just kind of like bolts to the fast hitch arm here. And then there are quite a few adjustments you can make as far as the depth and the side-to-side travel. It's basically 3/4 of an inch to the left of the plow bottom. That's where it's supposed to be. And here you can see the new hub and the yoke all painted up. The only thing I'm missing is there's a special nut here that goes kind of where that castle nut's at, but I haven't been able to locate one of those yet. Well, I have, but they're like $90, which I think is kind of ridiculous. So we'll see. So the ultimate goal is to test this out here pretty soon.